Introduction to Dangling Participles. Dangling participles are a common grammatical error where the participle, usually an ing or ed form of a verb, does not properly modify the intended subject in a sentence. This leads to confusion or ambiguity about what or who the participle is referring to.
Example 1. Walking through the park, the trees seemed particularly beautiful. Correction: walking through the park, I found the trees particularly beautiful.
Explanation in the original sentence. It seems like the trees are walking through the park. By adding I found, we clarify that it was the speaker who was walking.
Example 2. After playing football, the dogs started to bark. Correction: after we had played football, the dogs started to bark.
Explanation: the original sentence suggests that the dogs played football.
Example 3. Reading in bed, the clock struck midnight. Correction: while I was reading in bed, the clock struck midnight.
Explanation: the original sentence implies the clock was reading. By adding while I was, we attribute the action to the speaker.
Example 4. Having done my homework, the TV was turned on. Correction: having done my homework, I turned on the TV.
Explanation: without clarification, it seems like the TV did the homework for me.
Example 5. Running late for the meeting, the traffic jam was unbearable. Correction: running late for the meeting, I found the traffic jam unbearable.
Explanation: the original implies the traffic jam was running late. By adding I found, we attribute the feeling to the speaker.
Example 6. Biking through the countryside, the trees were vibrant with color. Correction: while biking through the countryside, I noticed the trees were vibrant with color.
Explanation without clarification: it seems like the trees were biking. Adding I noticed clarifies the action.
Example 7. Walking down the street, the music filled the air. Correction: as I was walking down the street, I heard the music filling the air.
Explanation: the original suggests the sound of music was walking. By adding I heard, we attribute the action to the speaker.
Example 8. Drinking my coffee, the newspaper caught my eye. Correction: as I was drinking my coffee, the newspaper caught my eye.
Explanation: the original suggests the newspaper was drinking. By adding as I was, we attribute the action to the speaker.
Summary:
Dangling participles can lead to confusion and ambiguity in sentences. To correct them, ensure the participle properly modifies the intended subject by adding clear attribution or restructuring the sentence. Practice identifying and correcting dangling participles to improve writing clarity and effectiveness.